What's up, you guys? It's Oski, and in today's video we're going to talk about SH Figuarts' new announcement for the next character in their Marvel vs. Capcom line. It is none other than Psylocke. So this one is a little bit disappointing to me because we already have a great version from the Marvel Legends. It isn't really a figure we need. I know some people might have some problems with that one's realistic face sculpt. I definitely would prefer, a more animated look, and I think that's what we're going to get from the SH Figuarts one. However, I also just don't have that big of an attachment to Psylocke. My X-Men collection is not that big. All I really want is Cyclops, Wolverine, and Magneto. Those are the big three that I care about. And so any other figure is just surplus, and we're all collectors. We're desperate to spend our money on anything nowadays. So I was really hoping that we would get a really nice figure like Doctor Doom, Sabretooth, some sort of villain. So I think what they're going to do, according to Kaiju Daddy, is the next four are going to be villains, and these ones are the hero side. But let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if you're going to be picking up this Psylocke or if you're good to go with your Marvel Legends or Mafex one. As always, it's been Oski. Peace out.